When you get into your bedroom, sometimes it's just to sleep, but some other times you just want to relax. Prepping your bedroom to perform that function is determined by a number of things. But for today, let's focus on how colors make your bedroom a lot more relaxing and make you feel at ease. In one of the videos I put out last year, I talked about color psychology. It's basically how colors make you feel in a space. Some colors trigger stress and make you feel anxious, while some other colors make you feel so calm. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chika, your personal interior designer, bringing you tips and tricks to help manage and beautify your personal space. But let me ask you a question. Is it okay to paint your bedroom with your favorite color? Drop your answer in the comment section, but stick around to hear what I think. Let's go over 6 best colors for a relaxing bedroom. The color gray falls on the neutral color spectrum. It's a mixture of white and black, and it has a lot of shades, but I like the silver gray tint for bedroom because it is light and has that strong but calming feel. Here you can go monochromatic by using lighter and darker shades to create contrast. But play safe with the wall. Use a lighter shade of gray, especially if your bedroom is small. You can combine gray with other colors like white, bluish gray, and pink to make it pop. Have you seen my video on how to design with navy blue? It's a great video, but for today, navy blue is a no-no, at least not for the walls. Instead, we'll work with the lighter shade of blue. Blue is generally known to be a relaxing color. Think of the feeling of being on the beach. How looking at the sea can be calming and very therapeutic. Researchers also say blue can help your weight loss journey. Yeah. When we see this color, our body releases chemicals that soothes the body and slows down the metabolism, making us eat less, unlike the red color that makes you hungry. The blue color is both beneficial to your body and your mind. A light shade of blue combined with white is heavenly, and you can use it for your walls and interior pieces. Green is a naturally occurring color that symbolizes nature, fertility, and safety. It's one of the restful colors for the eyes. It helps you stay calm and refreshed. Working with greens like mint green, emerald green, and sage green will give your space a comforting feel. Try green and white, green and silver, gray or beige, or other natural earthy tones. You can also mix green with pale yellow for a relaxing combo. It gives this freshness and breathable positive vibe. If you like to accessorize your room, gold is perfect for your green room. Pink is often thought to be girly, but far from that. It speaks of love, sweetness, and compassion. Pink can be used for both male and female bedrooms. While women may be okay with any shade of pink, for men it has to be more subtle. In fact, research says pink has been used to calm aggressive inmates in jail. One Dr. Alexandra was the first to report suppression of angry antagonistic behavior amongst prisoners. I gotta quote this. Even if a person tries to be angry or aggressive in the presence of pink, he can't. The heart muscles can't race fast enough. It's a tranquilizing color that saps your energy. We can't argue with science. To get an elegant look with pink, combine it with white, gray, blue, beige, or even gold. Lavender. I like the fragrance, I like the oil, it is therapeutic. Purple stands for royalty, luxury, and power. It symbolizes creativity and peace. Just as lavender oils and fragrance possess therapeutic and relaxing abilities, so also does the color. You can combine lavender with dusty pink, sky blue, and white to make it pop. Or you can also go monochrome on this color. You're gonna like it. Drum roll! White. I'm sure you were expecting it. It has to be on the list, right? Yep, it's on the list. I think I talk about white a lot. From making your space feel bigger to turning your regular bedroom into a luxury hotel room, today I also want to tell you how calming white can be. White symbolizes freshness and clarity. There's some peace you get when you're surrounded by white. But remember, white has to be white and not it was white, if you get what I mean. The sight of dirt on white can be very distracting, so if you can't maintain a white color, go with other beautiful bedroom colors. White can be combined with so many other colors, ensure to work with calm, contrasting colors and textures. Now let's take a look at these bedrooms. Same design, different colors. I want you to pick out the one you find most relaxing. Know that you can also work with wallpapers that are soft on the eye to maintain the calming effect that you're trying to create. So here are some extra tips that you may need. Don't be scared to use large mirrors. Mirrors make a space look spacious and feel very airy. Adding some greenery is a must. Plants liven up any space. Artificial plants or live plants will work just perfectly. So which of these colors are you going to use next, or which of them would you recommend to a friend? Drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know which of these colors you find most appealing. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumb up, like, and share. There are links to other great videos right down in the description box. Don't forget to check it out, and don't also forget to subscribe. Thank you for always being here. Bye guys.